Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your sleep noises in the Sleep as Android app. To see your sleep noises, simply tap right here, then tap on Noise. This will allow you to see all the noises from all the different days and with timestamps right here. As you can see, you can then tap on any of the noises, listen back to it, and give it a comment if you wish. You can star it to protect it from being automatically deleted. You can share it, you can play in an external player. It will automatically go to the next one. You can also just delete it. Though to delete you have to long press. You can of course give it tags like snoring, talking, laughing, sick, or baby. Of course you can start it as I said. Change the volume to make it easier to hear. Of course you have to make sure your phone's volume is also turned on, although it does modify that. To record noises, you would first want to, of course, go into settings. Here go to sleep tracking, and it's either here or it's sleep noise analysis, and make sure it's enabled, and then you have turned on record sleep noises. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.